SmartHub makes it easy to pay your bill with your smartphone or tablet. This video shows you how to do it on your iPhone. From the SmartHub home screen, tap the Bill and Pay icon. Tap Pay. If applicable, a payment fee alert displays, requiring you to acknowledge and accept a convenience fee. Choose the payment amount by tapping the checkbox that corresponds with your choice. You can use these options to pay the total amount due, only the amount past due, or enter a specific amount to pay here. If you've already stored a payment method, you can select it here. You may need to provide additional information, such as a credit card verification code. To use a different payment method, tap Use Other Payment Method at the bottom of the screen. Select the appropriate payment type, in this case, a credit card. The next screen displays your known information in many of the fields, but you can edit the fields if necessary. All required fields must be completed before proceeding. When you're satisfied your entries are correct, tap the Continue button. Confirm your decision to use this payment method by tapping the Continue button. Now you get a chance to review your payment details one last time. Credit and debit cards also require you to supply the card's security code, even when you're using an existing payment method. If you'd like to save this payment method for future payments, slide this switch to On. Rest assured your information is securely stored in accordance with credit card industry data security standards. Tap the Make Payment button. You'll get a confirmation alert to let you know that your payment processed properly. Once your payment processes, the Bill and Pay screen displays your current balance due. Nice! Here's a recap. Pay your bill by accessing the Bill and Pay screen and tapping Pay. Choose the amount you wish to pay, the payment method you wish to use, enter the necessary information, and that's it. This bill is paid. Thanks for watching this SmartHub Smart Clip. You've just seen how to pay your bill using SmartHub, including the steps to add a new payment method. If you'd like more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub's many capabilities, contact your SmartHub provider.